What is up and welcome to another video. Market is bleeding, guys. Today is January 8, 2025. It's Wednesday and Bitcoin market is tanking. Majority of the altcoins are bleeding. But if you have watched my latest video analysis about Bitcoin, this was predicted exactly as discussed yesterday. So if you were able to get into this trade, congratulations. And of course, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell. So today we'll talk about Bitcoin. I'm gonna update you with some of the altcoins that we spoke about yesterday, guys. I know a lot of you is wondering what is happening with the market and where are we heading, guys. Before we get into the charts, I want you to read the disclaimer carefully before we get into trading and charts. Now we get that in our way. Now let's talk about Bitcoin and some of the altcoins and where are we heading in the coming days. So if you are going to look at the bigger time frame, guys, Bitcoin is actually still consolidating in between this level, guys. So what you can see, we have this channel here. So basically, Bitcoin has been trading on the same level since November, guys. We have a little bit of fake out to the upside and to the downside, but overall, Bitcoin is still trading on this sideways channel. So there's no need to panic right now, guys. Bitcoin is still on the same level and still consolidating inside this zone right here. So this is around, shall we say, around 92,000 or 93,000 up to $100,000. That's the consolidation zone in the bigger time frame. So if you have missed my analysis yesterday, I've retweeted the clip of that analysis from Bitcoin. So for now, my bias here is short term. Probably we are going to see a possible correction here. I'm actually holding my short position on Bitcoin because right now the price is hovering on this short-term resistance. Plus we have this previous support trend line now turned into a resistance level again. So for now, so congratulations if you were able to get in to that trade yesterday. That was exactly as expected. This move was already predicted, guys. So it seems like this move right here was actually a fake out because I was expecting, again, I was expecting a correction until the right shoulder here. So this is around $93,000, guys. And if we break down below, this is gonna be my first confirmation and signal that we could probably going lower, and if we break the 90,000 level, guys. So this is a critical zone support level that you need to keep an eye on. If the price breaks this level, if the daily candle closes below 90,000, then we are in great danger. And also the level that Bitcoin needs to break, guys, is this zone, upper zone right here. So 105 daily candle closing above $105,000 or weekly candle closing above $105,000 will be our confirmation that this bull run could still continue, guys. But for now, Bitcoin is still consolidating on that level. This was expected. And let's check out Bitcoin dominance, because if Bitcoin dominance drop and if Bitcoin continue its move on the sideways in the lower time frame, then there is a chance that money could flow into altcoin, guys. And the first altcoin that you need to keep an eye on will be Ethereum. I've mentioned this on my previous video that Ethereum could be leading this alt season, guys. So this, if Bitcoin will consolidate and if Bitcoin dominance continue to drop. So looking at the weekly time frame of the Bitcoin dominance chart here, we have a confirmed breakout, guys, and retest is done. So let's see if this level will continue to hold. So probably we are going to see this kind of price action in the coming days and weeks, guys. And if Bitcoin dominance will continue to drop, then there is a chance that we could see a short-term alt season, guys. But if Bitcoin dominance reclaims this previous support, then that would invalidate this break of support. So the level that we need to keep an eye on is the 59.53% level, guys. So now let me update you with some of the altcoins that we spoke about yesterday. One of those altcoins is SUI, guys, and SUI is exactly as predicted here. SUI is still trading inside this ascending parallel channel, and yesterday I have discussed that SUI could potentially drop and retest this support level, guys. This is around 4.34, and we need to keep an eye on a possible break of support or resistance level here. So this is around 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So that was a 15% drop, guys, from 5.2 level. And if this drop is going to continue, then we are looking at a possible 20% from the predicted level up to the target or up to the support trend line. While looking at the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, the oscillator is almost or in the oversold area. And looking at the daily time frame, we have a huge bearish divergence on the oscillator, and the oscillator is still hovering near that overbought area. So bigger time frame, this could still continue its move. If the daily candle closes below 4.3, then prepare for a possible drop up to 2.9 level or $3 area. That is for SUI. Now let's look at ENA, guys. So ENA also got rejected from the neckline, and exactly as predicted, I have taken profit on this level here. That was a nasty drop, and right now the price is hovering near that previous entry zone. That was a 22% drop from the neckline. So congratulations to those who were able to catch this trade. If you get into the short position, that was a juicy 22% unleveraged gain. For me, I only took profit, and I'm holding 25% of the position, guys. So this looks like a possible double top here short term, and there's still a chance that SUI could retest this buy zone and support level one more time. Also with GLM, perfect take profit yesterday near the target, guys, and right now the price is back to that entry zone. So that was a beautiful take profit level yesterday at around 0.43. So I think this trade is over, guys. We have already taken profit at around 0.44, and right now the price is trading below the support trend line here. For PHB, the price broke out from the support trend line and stop loss was hit on this one. And stop loss is part of trading, guys. No trader in the world has 100% win rate. So you need to put that in your mind, that stop loss and losses in trading is part of the game. So it looks like on the 4-hour time frame, PHB, the bear flag is playing out for this one right here. So the target of this bear flag will be the bottom, guys. It looks like, again, a rising wedge pattern. Rising wedge pattern is a bearish pattern, and bear flag, the price, we are expecting a short-term trade last time, guys, and I told you that the price could still continue to move up from 1.7 up to 1.88, but because Bitcoin dropped, if Bitcoin drop, majority of the altcoins will follow. So that is number one rule if you are trading crypto. You need to always check what is happening with the Bitcoin's price and its target before you trade altcoins. So right now, this trade is invalidated. The support was broken and the price is breaking out to the downside. And right now, it seems that this bear flag is playing out. The ideal breakout target for this bear flag will be back to $1. So that is very important that you manage your losses, guys. Stop loss, follow trade setup, and then proceed with the new one. So going back to my BYDfi account, guys, before we end this stream, I am still holding some of the positions here. Like for ENA, again, for ENA, I'm still expecting the price to go lower, even back to that previous entry zone. We already took 75% of the profit on this trade. And also Ethereum, guys, and ETC. I think Ethereum, in my opinion, would lead the alt season if Bitcoin consolidates or move on the sideways channel. And if that Bitcoin dominance continues to drop, then Ethereum would probably lead the alt season. And also Solana is one of the strong movers this 2025 or 2024, 2025 bull run. These are some of the altcoins that I am bullish. Of course, these are the blue chips altcoin, guys. And by the way, there will be upcoming announcement soon, guys. BYDfi will be opening a copy trade in their platform. So if you want to copy or follow the best traders in BYDfi, you can create an account using my link in the description down below. Probably they are going to announce it in the coming days. So you heard that one first in this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one.